Want to introduce your team in a way that actually grab attention? This creative PowerPoint effect will make your team member shine, and it's easier than you think. Today, I will show you how to make a professional team member introduction using just PowerPoint with stunning image highlights and smooth morph transition. Insert a group photo of your team members. Right click the image, cut it, right click again, go to Format Background, Picture or Texture field, insert picture from clipboard. This saves the image as your background. Insert a hollow circle from the Shape menu. Hold Shift while dragging to keep it perfectly round. Set the fill color to dark blue and adjust the transparency to 20%. Set the outline color to yellow and increase the outline width to 2 point. Duplicate the slide. Drag the yellow handle on the hollow circle inward to shrink the opening. Move the circle to perfectly frame the first person's head in the image. Add a text box with the team member's name, title, or short description. Go to Transition tab, select Morph. This will animate the hollow circle moving from the one person to the next smoothly. Duplicate the latest slide. Move and resize the hollow circle to the frame the next person. Update the text information accordingly. Repeat this process until each person is introduced. For example, 5 slides for the 5 team members. Go back to the first slide. Click slideshow and watch your professional team intro come to life. And just like that, you have created dynamic and elegant team introduction using nothing but PowerPoint and a bit of creativity. If you like this effect, give it a try and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my channel for more smart PowerPoint tutorials. Thank you.